go. What do you all think these bolts are gonna be looking like? Okay, put that one there. Just gonna fish all these out. Just like so. We're gonna have to clean them up too. Give them a little cleany poo. Oh, put that down. Alright, oh yeah. Other one. I guess this video will be called Fishing for Bolts. No. Fishing for Bolts, starring the magnet. Okay. I think we're almost there. Oh, no. They definitely look better, I'll tell you that much. Oh, there we go. Another bolt. It's definitely been in here a few days. I think that's just about all of them. I think so. Well, hold on a second, YouTube. Hey, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, we are back with the Mustang. We are ready to start putting it all back together. So, I guess without further ado, that's exactly what we're going to do, literally. Start off with getting the bolts in. I greased the bolts already. I don't know if you can see it on video, but yes, the bolts are greased. So we're going to go ahead and start getting all this, I guess, back together. Yeah. Yep. Everything is ready to go, pretty much. I guess we'll find out if there is anything missing at this point. So stay tuned, YouTube. Put the time lapse on. We'll get her going. YouTube. Well, I thought the camera was recording that whole time, and it died. So, this side is almost completely back together. We're down to pretty much just the brakes at this point. All the stuff I painted actually came out really good. I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, I shouldn't be overly surprised. I did a lot of prep work and stuff. Got rid of all the rust and everything to really make everything just pop. Because it's like all the little things that really make a car into what you want it to be, I guess, essentially. Everything is torqued to spec on this side. All we got to do is get this bearing greased up. And it was a crazy good deal. Big tub of grease for $4 at Advance. I mean, I think the bolts were more money than that. So I lucked out. So I got the bolts. I got more grease. I also got regular high temp grease as well, even though it's probably no difference at all. High temp disc brake wheel bearing grease for him. I mean, I think that is really good. $4 for a big thing of grease like that. You don't see that much anymore. So I was about to start doing all that, but I might stop for a little bit, get some work done outside, like outside, get the leaves rounded up, because it is starting to get a little nicer, and I want to chop up all the leaves. And you know, some of this stuff I can do later tonight. I'll stay up a little bit later and get all this done. So I don't know, YouTube. I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, I still got tomorrow to work on this. And even though I was hoping to get it done this weekend, if I don't get it done, whatever, you know, I'm still further than where I was expecting to be. Because, no, actually, I'm a little bit behind where I was expecting to be. But it's getting there either way. I mean, just look at this. How nice and neat everything's looking. Got to get the new brake line installed and all that. Already got the that piece installed. Was it the sway bar end link? That's all installed. Bunch of stuff getting installed, YouTube. Just gotta stay tuned for all of it. Yep. Well, anyway, that's all I got for now, YouTube. Oh, one last thing. Bilstein shock, just looking minty, and all the new what do you call it? Who's and what's it's. All the new bushings are in as well. God, I have no words today. God. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think we're gonna get all the bearings installed next. I think that's a good course of action. All right, YouTube, stay tuned. Let's get her. Hey, YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, like usual, I got sidetracked, and yeah, we're here now. Oh god, yep. Way she goes. Sometimes that's just the way she goes. So we already packed it pretty damn well, actually. Now it's just time to get this all on and snug. So this is gotta go on first. There we go. Is it actually going though? Almost seems like a different size. I think it is. Where was the one that I had on here? Or is it not even making it? Oh, there we go. It's just being stubborn. Ah, there. Okay. Just need a little help. I think. I don't know why. Took so long to get on there like that. a second. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, I definitely greased it. Grease a little back here. Just a bit. Alright, we'll put these down. Come on, get on there. There we go. Come on, there we go. Okay. Wow. Talk about being stubborn. She's on though. Already packed the bearings pretty well with grease as well. So I know that the old timer secret with this is about as old school, no technology as it really gets. Grab a pair of pliers or whatever you got. Ooh, I don't know what just fell, but that's alright. So grab your pliers and basically you're gonna tighten it. See? If you notice, there's a little bit there we go. It's just if you're gonna go back about a quarter turn. And that should be it right there. Check. No play. Alright. It's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna pack this with a little more grease as well, just to, you know, be on the safe side here. Not that I think I really need to anyway. Grab one of these already. I have parts everywhere YouTube, it's just I already grabbed one. But I forgot. That. Just packing this as well. Not that it's really going to make a difference, it seems like, with this setup. But we should be just about there, YouTube. So I'm going to pause this. I'm going to make sure everything is to spec. So I'm just going to make sure this is how the other Foxbody owners do it as well. And we're going to go from there. Stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out until the next time. Well, might as well just play this since I found a form already. You're going to set your torque wrench to 25. Yep, 17 to 25 foot-pounds to actually set the bearings. Alright. set. Now we are actually going to torque it. And it's not that size. So this one? Ooh, nope. Not that one. Which one is it? Do have some special sizes here. Might be maybe this. Yep. Alright. Actually, I'll put it this way to make it easier to tighten. Alright. So she's right at 25 foot-pounds. The next thing it says to do, loosen the adjusting nut 1/2 turn and then retighten closer to 20 foot-pounds. So we're gonna just set this now down to 20. Right, just make sure it was at 25. Yep. Cool. Go down to 20. Very OCD with this stuff, YouTube. I apologize if some of these videos take a little bit. So it says, double check here. I'm sure someone else has this out too, but I'll be able to look back on all this one day. Alright, so loosen the adjusting nut 1/2 turn. So 1/2 turn. So actually we'll just use this. It's right about a 1/2 turn. It should be, yep, she's got a little bit of play. Final torque tightening is closer to 20 inch-pounds. Wow, okay. 20 inch-pounds. 20 inch-pounds, that's... where's my inch-pound? I have an inch-pound wrench in here somewhere. In all of my mess that is in this garage right now. I just don't like throwing anything away in the middle of a project such as this, where I'm replacing a bunch of bolts. I prefer to just leave it a mess so that I know nothing got thrown away. But that's just me, I don't know. So this goes down to, I think I'll be able to go down to 20. Let's see. Just not really going to be able to feel it. I don't think, at least. Well, actually, hold on a second. 20 inch-pounds. Can I use... have an electronic one here. Is battery too low? We'll have to find out. Let's see. Nope. No. Disregard. Does not go that low. I'm pretty sure it's just enough to literally, it's almost like hand tightening it, even. But I have been wrong many times before, so we're gonna just use this, I guess. So if I go all the way down here, it's increments 2, 4, 8, 10, 12. Oh. 120 divided by 10 is 12. 12, 24. Ah, okay. So 12, that's 24, 36, 48. That makes more sense. So 12. Yeah, it's going to be right about there. I don't even know if it's going to work that low, but let's see. Let's see YouTube. Let's see. Do I got an adapter? That would help as well. I really just got stuff everywhere right now. It's so bad. I almost can't even work. That's when you know it's really bad, YouTube. When you almost can't even work in your own space, you know it's probably bad. I got an adapter here. Definitely going to be fulfilling to clean up in here, though. Going to have a lot to clean up. So 20 inch-pounds, which sounds about right. Let me adjust this just a little bit more accurately. For all I know, this thing might not even be accurate either, but we gotta give her best fighting chance. Yeah, right about there. Nice, it's right there already. 20 inch-pounds. I'm just gonna take off a hair from there. Definitely never want this over tight. Just make sure 20 inch-pounds. So alright, so while you turn the rotor, tighten the nut until the rotor starts to bind. And back the nut off 1 flat or 1/6 of a turn. See. I would say that's pretty good, YouTube. Yeah, I think that's what I did for the Mercedes as well. Wheel bearing, old school torque. Awesome. Wheel torque, the adjusting nut to 200 foot-pounds. Wow, that's tight. Yeah, we're gonna keep it right about here. Let's double check. I'd say it's about a sixth of a turn. Yep. Yeah, she's good, YouTube. She is good. Maybe just a hair more. This is where I get finicky with this stuff. And now to double check. Yep, she's already there. Close to 20. Should almost be hand tight. Back off it. There, right there. Right there. No more messing with it. We got her. We're gonna get that. Now we need the cotter pin. I'm really good at losing stuff. I think I just lost the cotter pin. As you can all see, I am very organized 100% of the time. Never lost anything in my life. So yeah. Oh god. I am really messy. It stinks. Well, it's around here. So I guess before I go to the other side, I'll have to find it. Or just get another one or whatever. I don't know. There's things and stuff. Stuff and things. No, it was around here. Go. Make a little bit more room. Don't see it yet. Since I do not see it, make sure I have. Yeah, I got other ones here. I'll definitely try to find it though, because that'll bother me a little. Nice. Make sure all this is in, just like so. go like this. Oh, interesting. Don't fit these. Something doesn't fit. Do I have the old one? Yes, I do. Interesting. So maybe it's too much grease? Or they just sent the wrong one? Interesting. Well, I'm not going to say who sent that, but it's all right. That's not a make or break right there for me. I am surprised though. It just doesn't fit. I'm also surprised at how easy that just went in. But I'm not going to complain about that. Smackins. Nobody's gonna see it, so it's okay. Like that. I'm glad I was easy when I was taking them off. Didn't think I'd be reusing those. We are going to grab the rubber mallet just to be on the extra safe side on this as well. Go like that. Nice. Alright. Ooh, we are getting there, YouTube. One side almost done. And then we can bring everything to the other side. Oh, it's exciting. Look at that. Alright, so I should probably clean up my hands a little. I'll have to clean that up a little bit too. We'll use a little bit of grease remover, well, not grease remover, brake clean on it. Let's see. Clean up my hands again. I guess it did take me a while to do all this on the Mercedes. It's a few weeks worth of work. So I guess I'm moving along pretty fast for this. What was I first? Oh yeah. This. I'll put a little brake clean on it, just that way I don't get it on all the new paint. Just gonna try this. Down. Right, front driver's side. Nice. Cool. Now, normally I spray the special de-squeak stuff on it. These brakes are brand new though. I don't think they're gonna squeak. So, yeah, I think we're good in that aspect. Yeah. I guess I could spray it though. Just to be on the safe side. Safe side. Let's see, de-squeak, conditioning treatment for brakes. Yeah, that's it. Do I get a little piece of cardboard? So I'm gonna put this. This. Yep. So we're gonna spray it over here. All right. Now for this side. Oh, that's right there. One more coat. Nice. Give it a little wipe down. Ooh. And get a little bit. Alright, YouTube. I think that's enough of me just talking. Put you on time lapse now. Apologize for all that. Alright, YouTube. It's all done. Well, this side at least. So, got the brake line on. Not going to bleed this side because obviously the driver's side is the last one to, well, maybe not obviously for everybody, but if you don't know, the driver's side is the last side to get bled. So we are going to put the tire just loosely on for now, just for extra support. And yeah, we're going to go right on to the other side.